Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect Amazon Fire Stick to normal TV. Let's go. Connect the Fire Stick to the power supply and to the TV via HDMI. Switch the source to HDMI. If your TV doesn't support HDMI, use an adapter. Wait for the Fire Stick to load. Done. That's it. Now we know how to connect Amazon Fire Stick to normal TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.